Now I am in site home page. The site home page is very clean. There is no black appear. I click this gear icon and I select turn editing on. Now you can see a small gear icon is appeared, as well as add on activity and resources button is appear, as well as you can see add a new black section. I click once. I want to add a navigation black. I select navigation. Now you can see the navigation black is added, and you can configure the navigation black. I click this gear icon and I select configure navigation black. You can see three sections here. Here you can see allow the user to dark this black. Now I want to disable it. Display categories as link. Yes. Trim mode. Trim character from right or left. I select character from the right, and I want to trim 40 characters and generate navigation for the following everything: category and course, category course and course structures, category course and course activities. Now I select categories and course and I click this where this black appears section. You can set the black appearance. Front page is default and page context display on the front page only. I click once. In the drop down list, I select display throughout the entire site. Default region is right. I click once. There is no option. I leave it. Default weight, you can set the stock in order of the navigation black. The navigation black is always top, so I leave it 0. You can see on this page section, I expand this. This is visibility of the page. Visibility is currently yes. If the black is invisible, no one can go to other pages, so I leave it. And the region, the right side is default, so I leave it. And you can set the stock in order of the navigation black. I leave it and I click save changes. You can delete any of the blacks you want. Click this gear icon, choose delete navigation black. You can delete it. You can move the black anywhere, but right side is default, so you are unable to move the black. Okay, now I go to action menu and turn editing off. If you are working in bilingual language school environment, you can add more language you want. Go to site administration settings and scroll down. In the language section, go to language settings. The default language is English. There is no other language. Again, I go to site administration and scroll down. You have to install language pack first, so I go to language pack. In your right side you can see many of the language: Hindi, Tamil, Malayalam, Kannada. Here I go to select Tamil and click install selected language packs. The language pack is added. Now I go to language. Now I select Tamil and I go to save changes. My default language is English, but I can use Tamil language also. And I go to site home page. Now in the top section you can see English. Click once. You can select Tamil. Click Tamil. You can see all of our site feature changed to Tamil. Tamil is our menu. பாடநெறிகள், ஒரு புதிய பாடநெறியை சேர். Now I change it to English.